Singapore Component Solutions is a joint venture between Air France Industries KLM Engineering and Maintenance and Sabena Technics, two major worldwide MRO providers. Ideally located in Singapore in a 6,000 square meter state-of-the-art shop, Singapore Component Solutions provides multi-product adaptive maintenance and repair service for ATR 4272, A320 family, and Fokker 100 components, serving airlines operating out of the Asia-Pacific region. Combining the skills and expertise of two leading aircraft maintenance specialists, which already support customers in the region, Singapore Component Solutions provides a comprehensive portfolio of customizable, mix-and-match, reliable services. Singapore Component Solutions offers competitive local support to its customers who benefit from a nimble response tailored to their requirements, removing the need for time-consuming, costly fleet transfers outside the region. Singapore Component Solutions, your local high-quality component solutions for Asia Pacific.